Hey, say namaste, namaste. Namaste. Welcome to India. Yeah, wow. And the other train is move on. It's just Iteko. Look. How are you? The guys there enjoy to look, to be on camera like that. Look. Amazing. Woo. How are you? Okay, thank you, bro. Okay, bro.
Okay, bro, bye.
Bye, bro. Guys, it's vibe, man. It's vibe. India is vibe, man. It's vibe.
One famous place in India is Bondi.
Bondi?
Here,
Oh.
Very synonym.
Oh, damn, man. Okay.
After then you can go to Bhiwandi.
Oh, man. I have to go. I have to go
And you are
there.
from Burundi.
Hey.
All are same.
I have to go there, okay? I have... Order for me a camera. I need to...
Yeah.
And then I want to go and see outside, eh?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is river.
It's very nice, bro. I enjoy, man. I enjoy, yeah? Okay, guys.
Vada pav.
You say?
Vada pav.
What about?
The famous dish of India.
Oh!
Vada pav.
What about?
Very famous in Mumbai.
Oh!
Only 15 rupees.
Oh! Okay.
Vada
Wow.
pav.
What about?
Pav. Pav. Pav.
What about? What about?
Vada pav.
Guys, I never tried this before. Yeah, I will go. I will go. Let me just meet my friend over there. It will be fun. I don't, until I see on the oh. Guys, look where we are passing. Now it's going to stop, huh? And where will we pay, bro? Where we pay? Is it free?
No, this is cost.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, where we pay?
You don't have tickets.
Ah, no.
Then
This is
this will catch you.
It will come and then I pay, yeah?
Yes, you will pay.
Oh, okay.
1,000 rupees.
Oh no, that is a much, bro.
Yes, bro.
2,000?
Yeah.
No way.
How many you have?
That is a lot.
Bye, bro.
Okay, bro. Bye. Bye, bro.
Have a nice day.
Okay, bro. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Bye, bro. Bye. Bye, bro. Nice day, bro.
Bye, bro. Okay, meet you soon, bro.
ये लवकर ये.
Okay.
ये लवकर है ना. Look, my
Yeah.
girls.
Oh, that is your friend?
They both.
Oh.
I got. Look.
Ah, your friends, they are very
Yeah.
beautiful. All is your sisters.
Taking the video.
Oh, you don't like?
Vlogger. Sakshi. Bye, bro. Bye, bro. Bye.
Okay, thank you, bro. Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. Bye.
Bye, bro. Guys, it's vibe, man. It's vibe. India is vibe, man. It's vibe. Wow. That is another one passing over there. It's just passing over there.
Is walking for this one. Indian travel. succeed, gonna succeed. 7, 8, 9, we gonna chill, we gonna chill. Japo maisha magumu uliopitia. You got this, you get that, you fight it, you push it, you no quit, my brother. Ulipitia mengi, umepambana vingi. You are good example, now it's time for Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel. Congo, Angolia, Somalia, Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, Zambia, kote utafika. Tanzania, Nigeria, Morocco, Namibia, Japan, India, Ethiopia, Colombia, Togo, Burundi utafika. Life is part of time. Life, don't waste your time. Life, keep moving for the life. We will reach our dream. Life, don't waste your time. Life, keep moving forward. Life, now it's time for Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel, Burundian travel. Uzima tuwamu indambara tikimwe umutima wiyanga bishibona. Uzima tuwamu indambara tikimwe umutima wiyanga bishibona. Don't waste your time, we are keep moving for the life. We will reach our dreams.
How are you, bro? What do you want? I want my friend. Can you talk to my friend and then he tell you maybe a direction? He need to give me some direction so that I can get somewhere. Yeah, he's talking. Yeah.
हाँ बोलो मुझे.
Okay, good. Guys, we are in India. I'm from Burundi. Do you know Burundi? You don't know Burundi? Africa.
We don't know.
Yeah, you know Kenya.
Yeah.
Yes. So Kenya is my neighbor country. Yeah. Wow. Guys, I need to go, you know. That is other train. We are in India. Welcome India. Sorry. I have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe on my YouTube.
Who is this guy on phone?
He's my friend.
His friend from India.
Yep. The Indian guy.
So you want to go to Jogeshwari? He told me that you want to go to Jogeshwari.
Oh yeah.
So you will have to take a train for Virar.
Virar.
Okay.
Okay.
The train will go to Virar. Then you will have to pick up that train.
Oh, okay.
So for Virar, always platform.
Check on this. Oh.
Yeah. Check it on that. Which station?
You said Virar?
Virar. Yeah, he said Virar. You have to go platform number 3.
To this side.
जोगेश्वरी है कब पे?
That's platform number 3 है.
बताइए. क्या है विरार है ना? विरार. तो बोरे वाली है. You just tell me where do you want to go?
Yeah. But you say he told you. You know he's the one who gave me.
He told me that you will have to go to Jogeshwari, and for Jogeshwari, Virar train will come here.
Oh, okay.
On this platform.
Oh, so I can get the same.
Yeah. Platform number
3.
3 na.
Oh, the other
We need to
one.
wait here.
But,
Oh, we wait here.
but Jogeshwari is not mentioning in this way. Pata.
Yogeshwari. Where do you want to go?
The guy is
Yogeshwari.
Jogeshwari.
Hello? Yeah, I think I have to wait then here. They told me.
Hey, Yogeshwari.
Yeah. Say Jogeshwari, not Birar. He say Jogeshwari.
Yogeshwari. You want to go Yogeshwari?
Yeah.
So you need to go on platform number 1.
Number 1. Is it the other side?
Huh?
Is this side?
Train about to come.
Oh,
Ah,
but I have to go and wait there. No.
yeah.
Okay, bro.
Next train
Oh,
about to reach 150, 153 and 159.
oh, okay.
On platform number 1. So just go to platform number 1.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Hey, bro. Number 1. Is it this side?
Platform number on that side.
Oh, the other
You
side.
are from Uganda, huh?
Oh, we have to pass here, right?
You are from Uganda?
No, from
Tanzania?
Burundi.
Burundi?
Yeah.
Burundi.
You know Burundi?
Yeah, I know Burundi.
Oh, wow.
Every country on the African continent.
Yeah. Say hi here.
Hello.
Yes. Your name? I'm from Burundi. You know Burundi?
I know.
Oh, nice. Oh, so many people they know
You are
Burundi.
from Burundi.
Yes.
One famous place in India is Bondi. Just here, huh?
Oh.
Very synonym.
Oh, damn, man. Okay.
After then you can go to Bhiwandi.
Oh man, I have to go.
Bhiwandi.
I have to go
And you
there.
are from Burundi.
Hey.
All are same.
I have to go there, okay? I have to go there and tell them
Yeah,
like
yeah,
I
go.
found Burundi here.
Go Burundi, Gondi, Bhiwandi. Yeah, everywhere you can go. And whenever you need my help, then you can ask me.
Yeah, no problem, bro.
Yeah.
Wow. I must go to that place because of that synonym, you know?
Yeah.
Beyond Burundi. Beyond Burundi. No way.
I love Burundi.
Oh man.
And the head
Yeah.
in India, it is
Yeah.
known as Mundi.
Mondi.
Mundi means head.
Ah. And Mondi in my country we say Murundi. That is a Burundian.
Burundian.
Yeah.
Wow.
A people from Burundi. Now they are Murundi.
You are in India, it is the capital, financial capital of India is Mumbai.
Oh, Mumbai.
So in Burundi,
Yeah.
what is the capital of Burundi?
The capital city? Gitega.
कहाँ जा?
Gitega.
So
Yeah.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा.
Guys, this is a vibe, Indian vibe, okay? Yeah, welcome to India.
अरे यार bro, you haven't tell me your name.
My name is Jean Cloud, but I have a YouTube channel. It's Burundian Traveler.
Burundian traveler.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Just enjoy Mumbai.
Thank
and
you,
go
bro.
to every place in India.
I do.
Go to Rishikesh.
Yes.
Go to visit Taj Mahal.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Qutub Minar. It is the tallest building.
Oh, sure.
Ah,
Guys, I have to visit there. Let me put it in my...
we are just living outside.
This is outside? Or...
Platform number 1, you can go from this side.
Oh, okay. Here.
हाँ विराट ट्रेन and then जोगेश्वरी इनका आना होगा.
Oh, okay. Jogeshwari station. Guys, I'm going to Jogeshwari
और अपने कहाँ उतरे?
station.
उतरे कहाँ हैं?
Bro, is this one? This one?
Ah, this one.
Yes, this here.
Oh, bro. How are you? Guys, it's almost past me, man. It's almost went without me, okay? I went to, guys, I'm heading to Jokshori station, so very soon, yeah, and I will be there, you know. Yeah, bro, can you say hi? I go to hi. They say I go to I go to. Oh, namaste, namaste. How are you? Nice. Namaste. Oh, good. Guys, welcome to India, okay? Yeah. We are near with the Tanzania. You know Tanzania?
Tanzania, yeah.
Or Kenya?
Yeah.
Ah, Burundian traveler. What? Burundian. Let me write for you. Guys, a new subscriber here in India. Where? Oh. Oh. Okay. So please, guys, keep subscribing the channel, okay? We are in India, group. Guys, I don't understand this one, but I thought that when you move over here, maybe we reach Dombo. No, that's the other station. But when I read over there, actually we understand, okay? So let me just stand here so that I can understand maybe after, you know. Yeah. Let me wait over here so that I can see how everything will be, you know. All right. You know, it is still going, and even now I got a new friend here, but language is crazy. Hey, say namaste, namaste, namaste. Welcome to India. Okay, bro. Hey guys, I'm there already, and now I'm going to see maybe which way. Oh, how are you, bro?
Hi guys.
Woo. Okay, these guys, they just like to be on a camera, so why not? Let me just see, guys, maybe where I can sit. At least I try maybe to contact someone. But let me check. Let me check here. I just want to call my friend so that, you know, let me ask him, you know. Hello. Guys, I think here I have to check Uber. Look. I think I have just to check Uber and then I will get to the place, because the place where I got an information like maybe I can go is a bit far, you know. So let me try. Yeah. I can't try maybe to walk up to that side because it's a bit far, you know. Oh. Yeah. Don't be tired, okay? I don't understand the way out. sure. That is train passing. Woo. Hey, I have to try an Uber this place, guys, because I don't know, you know. And but actually the place where I'm going actually is not that much far. So if I use that way, it will be more easier, and I cannot tire very fast because I was just standing in a train from from that time because it was more entertaining, amazing, until I've been tired, you know. And also I have a big bag, so let me try that. So I will have just to see. Okay, I will just have to get an Uber. Uber will be more easier to me. Okay, let me check. Guys, I've been enjoying a lot to be with my grandpa over there, and everything was very nice, very cool, and I enjoyed it, to be honest. Yeah, I enjoyed fully. Let me check. I have guys, I was trying Uber over here, so let me try to jump here a little bit. Let me try to jump, okay? Hello? Is this Uber I was calling? Is this a Uber? Uber. Yes.
Where are you?
I was. Oh, not you.
Where are you going?
Oh wait, he's calling. Hello. I don't see you. Where are you? Out. Oh, okay. Hey bro. Oh, how are you? You speak English? English no. Oh. Sorry. You don't know English? English, bro? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, can you help me to talk to this guy, and then he tell you where he is so that I can get him? Hello? Okay.
Hello? Hello? हाँ दूसरी बेस्ट में ये खड़े हैं भाई. अरे भाई मेरा बात सुनो. हेलो हेलो, ये अंबर होटल है ना, उसके सामने अंबर होटल. अंबर होटल सर जस्ट सामने.
Guys, I'm getting some help here, okay?
इसके सामने. हाँ भाई नंबर क्या है?
Oh, is this? Okay, thank
This
you.
guy.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I get, okay? Oh, okay, how are you?
अरे उसको बेचारे की हिंदी नहीं आता करेगी.
तो वही तो उसको बोर्ड तो स्टेशन.
अरे लेकिन आप
Thank you, bro.
बोलो तो नहीं समझ में आएगा ना.
हम क्या करें?
कहाँ जाएंगे?
किधर
Yeah.
सर बस ऊपर कहाँ है?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जोगेश्वरी स्टेशन पे जोगेश्वरी स्टेशन पे एक मिनट OTP
You saw the press?
OTP
Yeah.
OTP
Sorry. Wait. Hello? Hello? Yeah, Yes, can you please maybe talk to my driver here? Yeah, please talk to this guy. Let me tell you.
Hello
Guys, this is Uber. I was trying to
Hello?
call over here. I don't know how this one looks. Hopefully it will work. Guys, this is what I was looking for, and finally I got my journey start. Okay, my bag over here, guys. I sit with it every time, you know. Yeah, Uber. I try Uber over here, and everything. Hopefully it be good and great, you know. Let's try this. And Mumbai actually is too big, and all Mumbai is constructed, you know. I don't understand. Like, so now we are in South Mumbai. I think it's the south east. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah. Lot of motorbikes, like Uganda. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm going to try the most cheapest place to sleep. I don't know, can I say Africa or whatever? No. But I'm going to try that one, okay? I'm going to try that one. It's not that much far. But I'm not sure whether we are going over there or not. So hopefully there is more motorbike, guys. This is India. Bari. I don't know if we are in Bari. I don't know. Guys, here we go. So Uber here, you can still use. Hello? Yeah, we are almost. We are coming to that side, to the location. I use Uber. I don't know names. Mogra 712. Hello, Mogra. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, wait. We are going to get dormitory here, okay? Dormitory for first time with the Burundian travel over here, okay?
Yeah, it's my bro, my friend,
Yes.
Braki.
I just finally get a very new friend, funny like me, you know?
Yeah.
We are getting some funny stories over here. So I'm already signed there, everything is alright. So very soon I'm gonna tell you everything, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, you forgot to tell me your name, my friend.
My name is Deepak Malla.
Deepak Malla. Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Deepak Malla.
Come.
Okay.
Come.
Guys, I'm going to get. I don't have to go with my shoes.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, my bro.
Okay.
No,
That's
Bara,
one.
Bara. This is my bro. He will take you, the Mr. Irfan.
Amazing.
Yeah, amazing, rocking boy, chill boy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, anything.
Oh man. Okay. I take this.
We have a suitcase. What do you
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Alright. Yeah, so guys, we got this for first time. Okay?
Yeah, ready, steady, go.
Yeah, welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, it's look like this. Amazing. And then you choose, you know. Oh, good. So I go on top, eh?
Yeah, yeah,
Wow, nice. We pass here.
yeah, yeah.
Very good, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
In a very cheap price here.
Yeah, you put your luggage here.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Don't
okay.
lose the key.
Oh.
It will cost
Okay, something, eh?
not something more than this.
Yeah, oh, but
Somebody is there.
you forgot to. Oh,
I
sorry.
give the key. Don't
Oh, you forgot to give me passport.
give. 12 दिया ना देखो कौन सा दिया?
I say you forgot.
M दिया कि L दिया?
You forgot to give.
Don't worry, passport will be with me after time. So I will give you some time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. How are you, brother? You know English?
No English.
No, just the Hindi. Namaste, namaste.
Namaste.
Yes. So thank you, bro. Name?
Washroom. Irfan.
No.
Irfan.
Name? Oh, Irfan. Oh, wow, guys. Guys, so I got somewhere to sleep.
Keep your luggage here only. Don't touch.
Oh,
It will
I
be-
can just put here.
Yeah, yeah. No,
It's okay.
Nobody will touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm going to. Okay, out for me.
Okay, guys. He's putting his luggage on top and he will take some rest. And
Yes.
so.
Tell them
He
everything.
is my friend. Very good.
Yeah.
Good friend.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm enjoying good man.
Yes.
I'm a new friend of him.
Oh, thank you. Nice. Okay, guys.
Washroom.
Eh?
You washroom.
Okay.
Washroom दिखाओ. Washroom so.
The room?
Washroom. Bathroom.
Oh, guys, let's check here. Let's check bathroom.
Washroom.
Oh, okay, that is washroom.
Ah.
Okay, washroom and bathroom together. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Guys, this is how it look like. This is dormitory, okay? Here, I finish. They say, I rest my case. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate. May God bless every single of you. Finally here. And when you eat something, you can put your things here, you know. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate. May God bless every single of you. I will be sleeping on top over there. And let's say goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
Ubuzima tubamo intambara zimwe umutima wiyanga ibishibona ubuzima tubamo intambara zimwe umutima wiyanga ibishibona